Let me get this where I want it, and we'll start. Okay, so I chickened out of the live. Actually, I couldn't find figure out where the live button was. So I'm just going to do a video. My name is Twyla Davis, and I'm a independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I just have a lot of fun making things with paper, cardstock, and such. And so the other night at our monthly meeting that I have, I showed everybody how to make these paper flowers. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that because somebody was wanting me to do that. So you're going to be using the Daisy Lane stamp set, and you're going to be using the 2 daisy stamps. Okay, you're going to need a couple of scraps of Calypso Coral, a little one of Daffodil Delight, Early Espresso, a little bitty mini dimensional Calypso Coral ink, your snips, bone folder, scoring tool, I can't think of what it is, but you know what I'm talking about, glue, your 2 daisy punches, your 1 1/8 inch scallop circle punch, 1/2 inch circle punch, and your paper piercing mat or some kind of a foam mat. I've cut mine in half, so that's why it looks so small. Okay, so let's get this done quick. Okay, so the other night, since I've done a couple of these since the other night, I make these for the gals that can't come and place an order. We stamped 2 of these and then we punched 4 out, but after I did these, I like it better if you stamp all 4. So you're going to do that. Make sure when you're stamping them that you've got one of the points pointing down. That way it's easier to punch out. I'm going to shut up our ink pad. Goes out of the way. So you're going to punch these out. Maybe. Sometimes that punch gets caught, but if you slide it, other than try to pull it out, it works better. They don't have to be perfect. One of these days, I'll get brave and try to figure out the live. I wish I could do that. I hyperventilate or something when I know that I'm doing something live, and I don't know why, but it makes me freak out, I guess. Okay, you're going to punch out 2 of these 1 1/8 inch circle scallop and 1 of the 1/2 inch Early Espresso circles. Okay, and something different we did from the other night too. We're going to glue 2 of these together before we start to shape them, because I had them doing them one at a time and they tore. They seemed to tear. They were too flimsy, I guess. But if you put them together, it makes them more solid, and so it worked. I think it worked better. So we're just putting them in pairs. Oh, there's so many fun things in the new catalog and in the holiday catalog. I can't wait till September 1st so everybody can order out of that. I've got people wanting to order out of that, and I'm like, can't do that yet. September 2nd, I guess. But there's lots of good stuff in the regular one too. So, okay, so we put the 2 yellow ones together, and on all the scallops, we're cutting in about a 1/2 inch. Don't worry if it gets kind of cattywampus. Doesn't matter. Just cut. Paper's very forgiving. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I like about it. Okay, you're going to glue those 2 together. Hold it for a minute. Let's see, what do we want to do? Okay, okay, so flip your flowers over, the pair of it. You're going to peel it kind of like it's a potato. That's what I don't know. That's how I described it the other night. And I don't know if that's peeling like a potato or seems like that's kind of how it is, isn't it? Or what is it? Peeling something. You just want to flip up the ends. Flip it over. Now see, these slid a little bit on me, so they look more like hearts, pairs of hearts. You're going to do the same to the little ones. This is the second time I've tried to do this video, so I don't know if it's going to be faster or slower. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, we're going to glue these together and overlap them again. Yeah. If you aren't careful, they do move on you, but even if they do, I don't know, it still looks fine. Put these two together. It's all good. It'll be fine. Love the mono glue, the Tombow liquid glue. Lots of fun crafting with that. Okay, let's set that aside. With a stylus, that's what it is. You're going to take this, you're going to push on the inside and see it just brings that up for the inside of the flower. We're going to do the same with the early espresso circle. Just kind of gives it some shape on the outside, so it kind of looks almost like a button or something. Okay, let's see. What do you want to do? Let's get this out of here. Glue this middle here. Like that. These are so fun to make. There's a really cute project with a picture board in the book with these flowers, and you can get those at Hobby Lobby to alter, and we're getting one of those in Vincennes, Indiana, which is only 30 minutes away from me because I live out in the country by a little small town, Lawrenceville, Illinois, and we're really excited that that's only 30 minutes away, so we can go find all kinds of stuff to play with. Okay, I put a dimensional on the back of that dot. See, I was talking and wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. Stuck it down, and you are done. You can fluff it however much you want. Ta-da! You can put a magnet on the back of it. You can make a bookmark out of it. So I hope you've enjoyed my video. And if you've got any questions, just let me know. Or if you ever want to order anything, you can just click on my Shop Now button to the side, and it'll take you to my store. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.